Hi guys, very good evening. Very good evening,
Hello, Vinay.
Mukesh,
Good evening, sir.
Prasanna, Priya.
Yes, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
So, two more people supposed to join. I think they are having some internet issue, so they will join later. So we'll have a small introduction about ourselves as well as what the course is about to happen. So first I'll give an introduction to myself. I think you pretty much already know me from the YouTube videos or through reviews or some sort of it. So I'll be your instructor. So I'll give you a warning upfront. Please do not expect too much from me. I am more like just a torch. You are the one who's supposed to work. So I'll be more like like a project manager will be giving you a lot of work, and then I make sure that you deliver that work. All right. So about myself, Vinay Vaisala is my name. So I had worked in my early stages of career was in Infosys, and later I worked for a few other MNCs as well as startup. And I started felight around 10 years back. So before COVID-19, we used to have a batch like 100, 120 kind of batch we used to have. So after COVID-19, we are not operating with any physical office. We are doing only online training, and our primary focus is on the placements now. So these are some of the placements which happened in the past. So this is all before the COVID-19. After COVID-19, I couldn't ever get a picture. Very rarely I would have got a picture because we don't people, they don't come visiting us, right? So anyway, coming back to this, there's a small introduction. Let's have some introduction of you and then we start. So Mugdesh, could you give some introduction of yourself?
Sir. Hi, sir. I'm Magdesh. So can you hear me, sir?
Yeah, we can hear. Please go ahead.
Okay. I'm working as a automation engineer in health system and service, sir. In
Where are
Chennai.
you from? What's your
Basically.
education?
Okay, sir. I'm a graduate in electronics and instrumentation, sir.
All right. And which place you are from originally?
Sir, my native is Trichy, sir, in Tamil Nadu.
Okay, Trichy, Tamil Nadu. All right.
Yes, sir.
Prasanna, could you give a small intro of you?
Yes, my name is Prasanna. I'm from Maharashtra. Currently, I'm residing in Bangalore. I'm into share market trader, and I want to switch to this field. That's why I'm joining this class.
So Prasanna is our very old contact.
Yeah,
He has
yeah,
taken documents from us almost a year back, I think.
yeah.
What have you been doing, man?
After
For
COVID
after
only.
1 year, you are joining.
Trading only,
After
nothing else.
okay, all right.
Yeah. Thank you.
Supriya, please go ahead, give a bit of your introduction.
Hello, good evening, everyone. So, my name is Supriya. I had completed my bachelor's in computer application. Currently, I'm working as a, we can say, with web developer. So, currently, I'm working on like WordPress thing, WordPress and bit of SEO. So, I'm planning to switch totally into coding. So, I joined it.
Okay. So where are you from? Originally, you're
So,
from Pune, I think, right?
yes, I'm from Pune, Maharashtra.
Okay, all right. So from Maharashtra, we have two people here.
Yes.
Yeah. Adarsh, could you give your introduction? Others just joined now.
Yes, good evening to everyone. Yeah, am I audible, sir? Hello.
Yeah, you are very much audible. Sound and clear.
Yeah, good evening, everyone. This is Adarsh Meher, and currently I'm staying in Bangalore. I'm into technical writing, so I'm planning to switch my career from that to coding. So this is it.
All right. So let's move forward and let me give a bit of introduction about what we're gonna study. This is just a small introduction class. Okay, nothing much. So what are you gonna study? We're gonna study JavaScript. So I'll highlight some of the few important points about how our training is going to be. Suppose if you go to let's say YouTube and search for JavaScript tutorials, or internet if you search for JavaScript tutorials or as such. So my system has become slow. So you may sense some disturbance in the voice. Let's say JavaScript tutorial for beginners. So most of the videos that you see, okay, they would actually, start the JavaScript examples with the HTML. Okay, so the reason is because when JavaScript was introduced to the market, it was introduced as a client-side scripting language. Okay, there is quite a good amount of history around the JavaScript. So it's very funny story. So I'll explain that to you in the coming days. So client-side scripting language means what? Let's say I have a web page, and in this web page I want to add some interactivity. Okay, I want to add some interactivity like this. So for that reason, in the escape era, they can a language called JavaScript. So because of that, most of the people start teaching you from HTML, CSS. With the HTML, CSS, they will integrate the JavaScript. But JavaScript has grown far beyond that, and now it is also used in the backend, right? So that is Node.js. So we will study JavaScript as an independent language, not in association with HTML, CSS or anything. So the syllabus, you may have the question, where is the syllabus? So you may not find it completely in the internet, in our website. So these courses will be shared with you. Let's say JavaScript basics. After the class, please WhatsApp me your email address and I'll share these notes with you. So JavaScript basics, we will be going with variables, identifiers, data type, string, number, big int, boolean, undefined and null operators and conditions, loops, and functions and function. Okay. After JavaScript basics is over, we'll move forward with another course, Oops in JS, objects in JavaScript, arrays. There's a in this document itself, there's a whole list of syllabus. And then we go forward with advanced JavaScript. So what are the new features introduced in the latest version? Latest version is ES 2020, not ES6. So there is a lot of syllabus. So there's no point in naming all of that. So parallelly, we'll study HTML, CSS as well. So, and Bootstrap. And after that, we'll move forward with React.js. Okay. So once the React.js is done, you will be made in your team, whoever, whatever the people are there, we'll make a team and we develop a real-time project. So once a real-time project is developed, that is where you come to the experienced person level. Now, the most important crucial thing is the real-time project. So during the project time, how the development happens in any company. Exactly the same way development will happen here. So that when you join the company, you don't feel alienated. You will be able to, develop things on your own. So does this make sense? On the syllabus front, do you have any questions?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
Right.
Sir,
So that will be our agenda.
GK,
Yeah. So
sorry to,
is there a
hello.
question?
Yes, yes. I just want to ask that, sir, we are gonna cover DSA part as well.
What part?
DSA, data structure algorithm.
No, data structures algorithm will not be covering. It will not be. It doesn't. It will not required also. The reason is because you will be placed as an experienced candidate, so obviously there is no point in going with the data structures and algorithm. But if you want to study that, I will help you with that. All right.
Okay, sir.
So our focus is on covering the concepts which will help us to get the job and do the work after getting the job. So we'll stick to that for now. All right. Suppose if you want to study data structures and algorithms like sorting algorithms, finding the shortest path, etc. That yes, you can go ahead and do that on, as the concepts are covered, let's the functions are covered, you can try implementing those things as well. But some of them do comes as a part of the assignment. Okay. Any other questions?
No.
Okay. So it's the
No,
only
sir.
class, yeah, where we will be having just a discussion in the classes from tomorrow. It's just an introduction. So the from tomorrow, it is mandatory that you attend from the laptop, and we should have a proper integrity with the team. What do you mean by that? Let's say one person will attend from phone, one person will attend from laptop. There'll not be a proper integrity in the team. You get my point? You guys have to be competitive. When I ask you to do a program, you have to do the program, and I'll be sharing a Telegram group link to which you have to join, and you have to share the screenshot. All right? Hello?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
sir.
So there is a, you know that our
Yes.
institute name is felight. So the actual spelling of felight, we call it as DOING, doing. That means learning by doing. So the whole classes, it will be like, I'll share the program with you. You'll have to do it. Then we'll explain. We will reflect on that, whether you understood or not. And any concept that I explain, you have to attend that with lot of attention. You are without attention, you are just be present there. So I will be whatever the concepts I will explain. I'll be asking you the question, and sometimes I'll ask you to explain the concept back to me. All right? Hello? Is it clear, guys?
Yeah, sir. Getting. Yeah, sir.
Yes.
So, uh,
Yes, sir.
studying whether it is important for you or not, I don't know, but for me, it is very, very important that you understand every concept that I teach, because our major success is in the placement. Okay, the more placement we do, better the health of our organization will be. So that will be the goal. So I'll be doing everything possible in my power to prepare you for that. Now, coming to before we end the class today, I will give you one small advice. Have you heard of accelerated learning? Hello?
No, sir.
Have you heard of this guy, Brain Tracy? Accelerated learning, Brain Tracy. So, you can search and download audio. There will be some audio after fiddling around. I think you'll be able to find that. But the summary of that is entire accelerated learning teaching. I will just update you here. So I'll update you with some practical examples here. First, before I mention the first point, I want to ask you this question. Let's say you go and you will go and attend a function, and in the function you meet 25 people. Okay. Now you will talk to them, all the 25 people. After the function is over, can you remember all the 25 people's name? 25 people name. Is it possible?
No, sir. Not all, but
Not also.
No, sir.
Something we can do.
Okay. So I will rephrase this question. Before you go to the function, the organizers of the function will announce that if you can remember all the 25 people name, you will get 25 lakhs award. Now, what do you think?
Yes.
yes.
Then yes.
We'll try, sir.
So just a moment back, you thought something impossible or boring. It become interesting, and you may felt it is possible, or you felt I may try at least, right? So the money is acting as a motivator there. So first step in attending any concept, any lecture, if you want to get the best out of it, you want to understand that completely, you should have enough motivation. Okay, you get my point? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Second is very important to maintain the notes. Even though I share my notes with you, see, this is my notes. I have put a lot of effort in preparing these notes. Lots of effort I have put. Just today morning, I got a call from one of my old students. I think I might have shared a number with some of you to take the feedback, Ashwini. So she called me saying that one of your inquiry had called me and I explained, and she was asking um, some guidance on one of friend to prepare for interview on Java. So back then she has studied Java with me. So earlier I used to teach Java full stack. So even after 5 years, she still depends on my notes. She's been telling the notes can I share it with my other friend like that. So these notes, what you see, so much of effort has been put across in preparing these notes. You will have access to these notes lifetime, but you must remember that all these things you should also prepare on your own, handwritten notes. Is a one-time work in your life, so you should do it. The reason is because when you write in a book, the one which writes is actually your hand or is it your brain? Who writes the notes in your notebook? Or perhaps the question should be when you say when you are seeing and understanding, when you are seeing, is it the eyes which is seeing or is it the brain which is seeing? Or
Sir, your voice is cracking. Actually.
okay, sorry. So when I say um, when you are seeing something, is it your eyes which is seeing or is it your brain which is seeing?
Sir, all right.
So I will answer that because there is some disturbance in the voice. So basically, when you write the notes, hand is a tool but the one which is actually right, it is your brain. And when you are seeing, the eyes are more like a camera, but the imprint is happening on the brain. The brain is the one which actually sees. So sometimes for some people, the brain works lots faster than the hand. So such people have a tendency to skip the word when they are writing or make some mistakes in writing, right? So if you maintain your own notes, it becomes very easy for your brain to do the revision. So these three things are very, very important. You should have enough motivation to attend the class. You should make your own notes. By looking at my notes, you can make your own notes and you can do some more research and add more things if you want. And revision. Revision is another crucial thing. The more you revise, less you have to restudy the thing. So far things are clear, guys. Hello.
Yes.
Yeah, sir.
Yes.
So we will be punctual every day at sharp 8 o'clock. I'll start the class, and I value your time a lot, and I expect that you also value my time. Please come in time, and whatever the work has been given, without wasting the time, do it. Be attentive in the class. Every class recording will be shared in the Telegram group. And suppose if you miss a class, please go through the Telegram group video and be sync with the batch. Okay. So from the start till end, you maintain a proper integrity, and I promise you that you all walk away with a very good job with very good package. All right, guys.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
So fine, guys. That's all for today. So see you tomorrow at 8 p.m. sharp. 8 p.m. works for everyone, right? No issue.
Yes.
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 No
Yes.
issues.
No issues.
Fine, guys. Actually, see, I am doing a sacrifice here for 8 coming at 8 p.m. I have been homeschooling my 4 children. So 8 p.m. is the time I tell them the bedtime story and put them to sleep. All right. So fine, guys. See you tomorrow at 8 p.m. Take care.
Yes.